Hello everyone, so welcome to your own channel Arbitrary Constant. In today's session, we are going to discuss about your mathematics paper class 10th, which has recently happened today. And the paper were quite easy, so I hope that yes, my student must have scored very good marks in the paper. Okay, so it is mathematics standard paper. The question must be shuffled, but yes, almost you got the same pattern of the question, and even I have taken the exact paper. Okay, which is given to you people as well. I don't know the set right now, but yes, this is the exact paper which I got it. So first of all, if I just tell you people, the paper was quite simple. Like what I analyze is that almost everyone would be able to score 70 marks out of your 80. Okay, it was that much simple. And if I talk about one markers, they were quite easy. In today's session, I'm just going to discuss about the one markers only. The main point is बेटा because सिर्फ वन मार्कर्स के आंसर ही आपको याद होंगे, उसके अलावा आपको आंसर्स याद ही नहीं होंगे. सो जिसके आंसर्स याद है वही डिस्कस करने का फायदा है. अदर देन दैट आपको स्टेप वाइज मार्किंग मिलेगी. सो देयर इज नो यूज ऑफ डिस्कसिंग योर सेक्शन बी टू सेक्शन ई. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू मूव फॉरवर्ड विद योर सेक्शन ए. इसमें अगर आपने सिर्फ और सिर्फ ऑप्शन भी लिखा है देन ऑल्सो यू विल गेट द फुल मार्क्स. बट येस, इस क्लास में मैं आपको बताऊंगी कि आपको कैसे आंसर ऑब्टेन करना था. एंड बट मैं बहुत ब्रीफली नहीं एक्सप्लेन करूंगी. आई विल जस्ट एक्सप्लेन अ लिटिल, जिसको थोड़ा बहुत कॉन्सेप्ट पता होगा. ओके, डन. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड नाउ. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू वेस्ट मच मोर टाइम. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, very simple again. I will say that the ratio of HCF to LCM of the least composite number. Now, what is a least composite number? That is your 4. And a least prime number, that is your 2. So मुझे रेशियो निकालनी है अपने HCF और LCM की, and the numbers are least composite number and least prime numbers. So first of all, HCF upon LCM. So least composite number कौन सा था? 4. and least prime number कौन सा है? 2. So इसका HCF और इसका ही LCM. So HCF क्या होगा? That would be 2 and LCM would be a 4. Quite simple to know that. Just cut them. So the answer is 1:2. Option A, correct. Okay. Now the root of the equation x square plus 3x minus 10 equals to 0. A very simple question beta, जो आपका class 9 का ही question actually. It doesn't belongs to class 10. So if you just observe, if I just want, can I do middle term splitting? Quite a simple manner. So x square plus, I would say, let's consider 5x minus 2x minus 10 equals to 0. Plus 5 minus 2, it will give you plus 3. And plus 5 into minus 2, it will give you minus 10. Now let's take common from these two and then from these two. So that would be, take your x common, we are left with x plus 5, and then take your minus 2 common, we are left with x plus 5. That is equals to 0, obviously. So that is x minus 2 into x plus 5 equals to 0. And now from here, I think हर कोई बच्चा easily अपने x की value obtain कर सकता है. So from here, I'm going to get my x is equals to 2 and minus 5. So that means your option number A is correct in this. In this also, your option number A is absolutely correct. It was also a very simple question to answer with. Moving forward, the next term of the AP, very simple beta. First exercise में से क्वेश्चन आया आपकी AP में से, सोचो सबसे इजी पार्ट था वो आपका. So if you observe, it is root 6. Now root 24, इसको simplify करने की सोचो सबसे पहले. So it would be 4 into 6, that is root 4 into 6. So this can be rewritten as 2 root 6. Clear? In a similar manner, इसको मैं क्या लिख सकती हूँ? I can write this as root 9 into 6, that is 54 only. So that would be 3 root 6. सब बहुत clear चीज थी कि जब मेरे पास एक ये AP है, so it is in the form root 6, then 2 root 6, and then 3 root 6. So the next number would be 4 root 6. अब 4 root 6 ऑप्शन में नहीं है, तो क्या करेंगे? It's root 4, sorry, इस 4 को अंदर ले जाओ रूट के. So that would be root 16 into 6. That is your option B, root 96. Clear? Easy? I think it's easy peasy. Yes? Now, the distance of a point -1, 7 from x-axis. Let's make a xy plane. This is your xy plane. I think everyone knows. -1, 7 बेटा कहाँ पर होगा? यहाँ पर होगा, बिकॉज यहाँ पे है -1 एंड यहाँ पे कहीं 7 लाई कर रहा होगा. सो -1, 7 ये रहा. डिस्टेंस निकालना है एक्स एक्सिस से, मतलब कि यहाँ से डिस्टेंस निकालना है. सो मतलब डिस्टेंस ये चीज कितनी है मेरे पास? दिस इज योर 7. सो देयरफॉर डिस्टेंस इज ऑल्सो 7. सो ऑप्शन बी इज एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. क्लियर है सबको इतना? यस, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम टू अंडरस्टैंड. ग्रेट. नाउ more easy, what is the area of semicircle? एरिया निकालना है semicircle का. As you all know, semicircle is somehow like this. So बेटा फॉर्मूला क्या होता है आप लोगों के पास? So formula is 1/2 pi r square. This is the formula. Now मुझे पता है मुझे अपने r को पहले d में कन्वर्ट करना होगा. So that is 1/2 pi d/2 का होल स्क्वायर. जस्ट सिंप्लीफाई कर दो, आंसर आ गया. इतना सिंपल क्वेश्चन था ये. सो 1/2 पाई डी स्क्वायर अपॉन 4. सो 2 into 4 8 and pi d square. This that is 1/8 pi d square. That is your correct answer. Clear? Now a direct formula, जो आपने direct formula पढ़ा होगा stats के अंदर. So जो इतना simple question भी आ रहा है, the empirical relation between the mod, median and mean of a distribution is. So beta 3 median is equals to 2 mean plus mod. ये फॉर्मूला है मेरे पास. ये फॉर्मूला देख लो कहां पर सेटिस्फाई हो रहा है, वो आपका आंसर था. सिंपल. ओके, सबसे पहले देखो 3 मीडियन होना चाहिए था, तो यहाँ पे 3 मीन था. रॉन्ग. यहाँ पे 3 मीडियन है, इसको एज इट इज छोड़ दे. 2 मीन भी लिखा हुआ एज इट इज छोड़ दो. 3 मीडियन है, 2 मीन है, एज इट इज छोड़ देते हैं. यहाँ पे 3 मीन आ गया. रॉन्ग. या तो ये आंसर है, ये आंसर है. सो अगर आप 2 मीन को उधर शिफ्ट कर दो, सो इट वुड बी 3 मीडियन माइनस 2 मीन इज इक्वल्स टू मॉड. दैट मीन्स ऑप्शन ए इज एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट. दैट इज दिस आंसर. क्लियर? If it's clear, please give me some thumbs up and smiles in the chat box. And yes, if you are getting good answer, good marks in your papers, then please keep supporting my channel as well. It will be highly appreciable. Nothing much. The pair of linear equation 2x is equals to 5y plus 6 and 15y is equals to 6x minus 18 represents two lines which are. ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूज कर सकता है, जस्ट बिकॉज थोड़ा सा रीअरेंजमेंट करना पड़ेगा टू सॉल्व इट. ये स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में नहीं है. सबसे पहले इसे स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लाते हैं. बेटा आई एम सॉल्विंग इट ओवर हियर, ओके, ताकि मेरे पास स्पेस रहे. सो लेट्स ब्रिंग इट इन अ स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म. दैट इज ax plus by plus c equals to 0. सो ये मेरे पास मेरी स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म थी. सो दैट वुड बी 2x, sorry beta. So that would be 2x. Okay, I'm just going back again. I'm just writing it over here. Okay. So 2x minus 5y minus 6 equals to 0. मैंने बस अपनी इस फॉर्म में बनाया है. Okay, I should not go up, I think. ax plus by plus c equals to 0. मैंने हर चीज को, हर इक्वेशन को इस फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करने की कोशिश की है. सिंपल. So 2x minus 5y minus 6 equals to 0. And okay, कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रही है मेरी पीडीएफ में, so please adjust with that. And इसको भी जनरल फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करते. So 6x minus 15y minus 18 is equals to 0. Now you know the formula, that is a1 a2 a1 upon a2 plus b1 upon b2 plus c1 upon c2, and we just have to make a relationship between these three. So a1 is 2 and a2 is 6, so 2 upon 6. In a similar manner, minus 5 upon minus 15 and minus 6 upon minus 18. So cut them. It would be 1 upon 3. Cut them, 1 upon 3. Cut them, 1 upon 3. So yes, they are equal. So when these three are equal, then we have coincidence line. So that means option 3 is absolutely correct. Clear? It was easy, but yes, some student must have lost marks in this question. Yeah, because it was not arranged in a proper manner. So we just have to rearrange it and then we will get the correct answer. If alpha and beta are the zeros of a polynomial x square minus 1, then value of alpha plus beta. बहुत सिंपल है. अल्फा प्लस बीटा क्या है? सम ऑफ जीरोस ही तो है. तो सम ऑफ जीरोस ऑब्टेन कर लेते हैं. सम ऑफ जीरोस का क्या फॉर्मूला होता है मेरे पास? सम ऑफ जीरोस दैट इज जस्ट इक्वल्स टू योर माइनस बी अपॉन ए. सो ए बी सी निकालते. सो ए क्या है मेरे पास? ए इज 1. यहाँ पे x का कोई कोफिशिएंट है ही नहीं. सो देयरफॉर b इज 0. ठीक है, तो बस ये फॉर्मूला पुट करेंगे. So sum of zeros, that is alpha plus beta, is equals to 0 upon 1, that is 0. So option D is correct. Simple answer. If a pole 6 meter high, I'm just drawing the diagram on this side, okay? 6 meter height like this, cast a shadow 2 root 3 meter long on a root like this, 2 root 3 meters. Then the sun elevation is. So sun elevation is something like this. That means we just have to obtain this theta. So can I use tan formula? So tan theta, that is equals to perpendicular upon base. So that is 6 upon 2 root 3. So you will get it as, just cut it, 3 upon root 3. Rationalize it, you will get it as root 3. So when your theta is equals to root 3, that means I can just say that tan 60 degree is equals to your root 3. Clear? So that means theta is 60. That means option A is your absolutely correct answer over here. Yes, good to go. I think the concept was simple. It was not that complicated, you can say, because you just have to know the basic concept about perpendicular upon base. That's it. Simple. Okay, moving further on. Now if you observe secant theta when expressed in terms of cot theta. Beta, for this you should know one formula, or you can say one identity, that is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. Yes, we know it. So secant square theta minus 1 upon cot square theta is equals to 1. Beta, बस इसको solve करना है and we are done. So secant square theta is equals to 1 plus 1 upon cot square theta. Simplify करते हैं इसको थोड़ा सा. So what we will get? So if you just observe from here, I can write it as cot square theta plus 1 upon cot square theta. बेटा देखो, अब मेरे पास 1 plus cot square theta upon cot theta जैसा कुछ है, यहाँ पे भी कुछ है. तो क्या करेंगे? secant theta की वैल्यू निकालेंगे exact by taking a square root. So secant theta would be square root of cot square theta plus 1 upon, अगर यहाँ पे square root आएगा तो 2 and square root cancel हो जाएगा. So what we are left with? We are just left with cot theta. That is option C is your absolutely correct answer. Simple. I hope that many of you have done these questions correct, and plus the upper one which I have already solved them as correct, because as you can see 10 minutes video, 10 questions have already been done, and I think I have hardly taken 15 minutes, and right now I am explaining you people. So on a serious note, they can easily be done in like 7 to 8 minutes by an average student I'm talking about. Okay, so 10 questions in 7 to 8 minutes. I think it's like a bonus question to you. Like these 20 marks, I would say these are just a bonus question, like just to give you some good numbers in your papers. Okay, so they're like that. 2 dice are thrown simultaneously. It was a very good question. The probability of getting the difference of the numbers on their upper faces equals to 4. Difference की बात की गई है बेटा. So difference के लिए we just have to find the favorable outcomes. That is probability of favorable outcomes E. So let me just list my outcomes. I'm just listing it over here. So firstly, if you observe, it would be 1,4, differences of 3. Then you can say 2,5, difference is 3. And then you can say 3,6. In a similar manner, 6,3, 5,2, and 4,1. So yes, we have 6 favorable events. So 6 upon 36, that were your total distributions. So that is 1 upon 6 is your option. 1 upon 6 is your answer, and that is option number C. Clear? Now move towards question number 12. In a given figure, triangle ABC is similar to triangle QPR. So ABC is similar to QPR. AC is 6, BC is 5, QR is 3 and PR is X. Find the value of X. कुछ नहीं था, बहुत सिंपल क्वेश्चन था. इसका corresponding ये जाएगा. So AB upon QP and that is equals to BC upon PR. Done? And that is equals to AC upon QR. Just put the value, you will get your answer. So AB हमें नहीं पता. Similarly, QB हमें नहीं पता, तो leave it. Move towards your BC. So BC is 5 and over there PR is your X. Then that is equals to AC is your 6 and QR is your 3. Just solve it beta. तो यहाँ पे मेरे पास 2 आ गया. So if you just try to solve it, the value of X, it would be 5 by 2, which is going to be equals to 2.5 centimeter answer. So option B is your absolutely correct answer over here. Simple to obtain it. Yes. Now, question number 13, very simple. The distance of a point minus 6,8 from origin is. Distance formula apply करो, answer आएगा यहाँ पे आपके पास. Origin से pass हो रहा है तो formula क्या था? Under root of x square plus y square. That is under root of minus 6 square plus 8 square. That is under root of 36 plus 64. This is going to give you under root 100 and that is your 10. So option D is correct answer. Simple to understand. Now question number 14, very simple. It's like very simple. And within a second, I can solve this question. In a given figure, PQ is a tangent to a circle with center O if, okay, these two angles are given and we just have to find X plus Y. Since I know that the common, you can say the point of contact between the radius and a tangent always gives you an angle of 90 degree. So therefore, this is 90 degree. So I can, by angle sum property of a triangle, I can say X plus Y plus 90 is equals to 180 degree. And therefore, I can say that X plus Y is equals to 90 degree. That is option B is your absolutely correct answer. Clear to all? It was simple. It was genuinely a simple question. So in a given figure, TA is a tangent to a circle with center O such that OT is 4. Angle OTA is 30 degree and you just have to find this length TA. Beta, it was very much clear कि मेरे पास दो sides नहीं है, एक angle है और एक side है. तो obviously trigonometry ratio का use करना था यहाँ पर. So that is cos 30. Cos 30 क्यों use किया? Because I want a side adjacent to the angle. So that would be side adjacent to angle upon hypotenuse. So that would be your cos 30, that is 1 upon 2 is equals to, let's name it as x, x upon 4. Just solve it and you will get your answer. Cross multiply, so x is equals to 2 centimeter. That is option B is absolutely correct answer. Good to go. I think it was simple. There was nothing difficult as such. Okay, till here the papers is simple. Question number 16. It was again a simple question. So in triangle ABC, PQ is similar to BC. PB is 6. AP is 4. AQ is 8. Find the length of AC. And let your QC be X. बेटा सबसे पहले BPT apply कर देते. So 4 upon 6 is equals to 8 upon X. Simplify कर दो जल्दी से इसको. So X equals to 8 into 6 upon 4. Cancel 2. So X is your 12. We got the value of X as 12. So what this full value would be? That is 12 plus 8, 20 centimeter. That is option B was your correct answer. बहुत बच्चों ने जल्दबाजी में I know option A mark कर दिया होगा कि 12 आ गया आंसर X का, तो बस बात बन गई. But no, we have to obtain full AC. So that is 20 centimeter. Again a simple question और ये question बहुत ज़्यादा basic है. ये क्वेश्चन आपको हर यू लाइक के अंदर लगभग हर सैम्पल पेपर में मिल जाएगा यू लाइक की. इवन आर.डी. शर्मा हैज मेनी क्वेश्चंस ऑफ दिस. सो इफ अल्फा एंड बीटा आर द जीरोस ऑफ अ पॉलिनोमियल px equals to 4x square minus 3x minus 7, then 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta. Try to solve it. Take the LCM first of all. alpha into beta is equals alpha plus beta अपॉन अल्फा इंटू बीटा. बेटा पहले सम ऑफ द रूट्स निकालो, अपॉन में प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द रूट्स है. मिल गया ट्रिक. सम ऑफ रूट्स ऊपर न्यूमरेटर में आया एंड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ रूट्स मेरा डिनोमिनेटर में आ गया. तो सम ऑफ रूट्स क्या होता है? माइनस बी बाय ए एंड प्रोडक्ट ऑफ रूट्स इज सी बाय ए. पुट कर देते हैं वैल्यू. ये मेरे पास ए है, ये बी है, ये सी है. सो बी है -3. सो -3 दैट इज 3 अपॉन 4 अपॉन -7 अपॉन 4. 4 और 4 कैंसिल. आंसर क्या आएगा? -3/7. यस. Sorry. So option D is absolutely correct answer. That is -3/7. Question 18. A card is drawn at random from a well shuffled pack of 52 cards. The probability that the cards drawn is not an ace. We know total cards were 52. Now ace are 4. So not ace. That would be your 48. So the probability would be 48 upon 52. That is 12 upon 13 is your correct answer. Simple. Nice, bacha, nice. I'm very happy that all of you are getting the correct answers. Please write in the chat box, as I am not doing a live session right now. So I expect everyone to write your answers in the chat box, okay? Now exertion and reasoning. The probability that a leap year has 53 Sundays is 2/7. First of all, how many days does a leap year has? So leap year has 366 days. In this, 52 full weeks are there and 2 extra days we also have. This is the condition. So to get a Sunday, so just for Sunday, it would be either Saturday or Sunday on Monday, because we have only 2 days now. So either Saturday, Sunday or Sunday, Monday. That means 2. Correct. And in a week, we have 7 days. So total outcome is also correct and favorable is also correct. So exertion is correct over here. Now probability that a non-leap year, when a leap year has 366 days, so a non-leap year has 365 days, which include 52 weeks and 1 day extra. So it has 53 Sundays, but as it has only 1 day extra, so this has to be 1/7, not 5/7. So reason is wrong, exertion is true. So I can just say that exertion is true and reason is false. Clear? This was a good question, and I think like on serious note, for this question, I can say that yes, 80% student will lose their marks. I'm extremely sorry, beta, but yes, this is the hard reality that 80% student will do this question wrong. Okay. Now, a basic question, but yes, you can say a little tricky one as well. Exertion A, B, and C are in AP if and only if 2B is equals to A plus C. As A, B, C are in AP, so it's obvious that D is equals to A2 minus A1 and also A3 minus A2. So let's see that whether it satisfies this situation or not. So यहाँ पे बेटा क्या आ जाएगा मेरे पास? यहाँ पे आएगा मेरे पास B minus A is equals to C minus B. इसे solve करो, क्या satisfy कर रहा है relation? B plus B is equals to C plus A. So that is 2B is equals to C plus A. So yes, exertion मेरा absolutely correct है. Great. Reason, the sum of first and odd natural numbers is n square. So बेटा इसके लिए आप एक method अपना सकते थे. As I know, the odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, and the last term, that is you are going to be 2n minus 1. Now everyone will think, how is ma'am 2n minus 1? तो आप चाहो तो कहीं पे भी रख के देख सकते हो. So 2n minus 1, that would be 2 into like if I just want to obtain the second term. So 2 into 2, 4, 4 minus 1 is 3. Third term would be 2 into 3, 6, 6 minus 1 is 5. ऐसे ही आप टेली करना, सारे टर्म सेटिस्फाई कर जाते हैं 2n minus 1 से फॉर ऑड. सो Sn का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई कर देते हैं. दैट इज n by 2 into A1 plus L. 2n minus 1. 1 and 1 cancel. What you are left with? N by 2 into 2n. 2 और 2 cancel. क्या बचा? n square बचा. Yes. Sum of first n odd natural number is your n square. Absolutely correct. But क्या exertion और reason एक दूसरे को justify कर रहे हैं? क्या reason actual में reason है exertion का? No. There is no combination between exertion and reason. Totally different concept है. मतलब AP का है, but एक में difference की बात हो रही है, एक में sum of natural numbers की बात हो रही है. So both exertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of exertion. So that's all, kids. Right now, I'm just going to discuss your section A. Why I have discussed it? 1 markers है. आप लोग जल्दी से इस वीडियो को देख सकते थे. I want to make my video short as well. So इसलिए मैंने जल्दी से एक वीडियो बनाई है. If you like the video, please share, comment, like and subscribe my channel. And I need your support to grow more and to provide you such beautiful stuff, more and more content on mathematics, which you can actually understand from me. Okay, and that's all for today. I'm not going to discuss the full paper, because in the end, for the full paper, you will get nervous if you are losing your marks. But yes, if you have even written the formula, you will get the marks for that. So not an issue. That's why I'm not discussing it, because step by step, if I write the answer, it is going to be boring for you as well. So let CBSE decide what all they wanted to do with your answers, of course. So hope to meet you soon again in the next video. Till that, bye-bye, stay healthy, stay safe, and please study hard. Okay, that is the only one request I can do with you people. Thank you so much, Beta. Bye-bye.